Indore wears the badge of India's cleanest city with pride. Tonight, that badge is under scrutiny. In neighborhoods across the city, the water meant for drinking has turned dangerous. At least 10 people are dead, hundreds more have fallen ill or linked to contaminated supply lines. This is not about rankings or awards, it's about a civic system that has failed at its fundamental duty. Residents in Bhagarithipura say the signs were impossible to miss. Yellow water, a pungent smell, insects floating in containers. Complaints were made. Warnings were raised, but the response came only after hospitals filled with patients suffering from acute stomach infection. Testing has confirmed bacterial contamination, with officials pointing to damaged pipelines that's allowed sewage to seep into the drinking water network. The state government has cracked the whip on erring officials and signaled zero tolerance for lapses. From disciplinary action to administrative reshuffles, the state says accountability is non-negotiable as it steps up the damage control. Show cause notices have been issued to Indore officials and the additional commissioner has been transferred out of the city. The superintendent engineer of the water department has been relieved of his duties, and the government has ordered that all vacant posts in the Indore Municipal Corporation be filled immediately. Indore's crisis forces a hard national question. If a city showcased as a model can allow its water to turn lethal, what does that say about the safety of water supplies elsewhere in the country? Remember, this has been prided as India's cleanest city, yet contaminated water has now led to the death of children. How did we arrive at such a grim contradiction? Before we get the parties to speak about it, let's be clear, this is an issue of negligence. It's about infrastructure failure. But it is also about something more deeper of what really has led to a collapse of the public health. First up the story, and then I bring in the guests.
Insects lying, frothing, and a foul smell. Surely, this is not water fit for drinking. Yet, this is water the residents of Bhagirathpura in Indore are getting to drink, even after the tragedy that has already claimed several lives and left many in the hospital.
मैं ये देख पा रहा हूँ, एक पानी के पीने की लाइन यहाँ पर है और सीवेज की लाइन भी यहीं पर है.
India Today is on the ground, tracking every detail, and shocking information is now coming to the fore. We found that the sewer line and the water pipes run side by side.
This water pipeline which is here, with this we have the sewer pipeline. So you can see as to how the sewer line and the main water line which goes in the houses of people is connected, and that is one of the reasons that contaminated the entire water. There was a leakage in one of the connections. Because of this, the contaminated water entered into the clean water, and because of that, many people were forced to drink the contaminated water.
The residents share their plight with India Today.
हमारे भी भर्ती है, बहुत ज्यादा हालत खराब है उनकी भी. हमारी सासू माँ भर्ती है, 6 दिन हो गए, अभी भी छुट्टी नहीं हुई है, अभी भी हालत उनकी अच्छी नहीं है.
पहले नहीं था, पहले पानी अच्छा आता था, अभी कल परसों से पानी इतना गंदा आ रहा है कि पिया नहीं जा रहा है.
काफ़ी दिनों से गंदा पानी की शिकायत आ रही थी, पर जन सुनवाई नहीं हो पा रही थी. इस कारण अशुद्ध पानी के कारण कई लोग बीमार हो रहे हैं. अभी तो हम मोल का पानी ले रहे हैं.
Meanwhile, the lab report confirmed that contaminated water claimed lives, left people ill, and that the pipeline leakage led to water contamination. Minister and local MLA Kailash Vijayvargiya asserted that the government is working to fix the problem, but it will take time to check the entire area.
में जो संभावना थी कि पानी में सीवरेज का पानी मिला हुआ है वो कंटेमिनेट है, हम 100% चेक करेंगे. कम से कम इसमें 8-10 दिन लगेंगे पूरे कॉलोनी को पूरा की पूरा माइक्रो चेकिंग के लिए.
The Congress has launched a scathing attack on BJP over the issue. Rahul Gandhi took on Prime Minister Modi and questioned his silence on the deaths, saying that poison was given to people instead of drinking water. His lieutenant and Madhya Pradesh Congress chief Jeetu Patwari echoed the same.
मैं आप सबसे आग्रह करना चाहता हूं कि अधिकारी भी दूध के धुले नहीं हैं, लगातार यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं तो भ्रष्टाचार के हिस्सेदार हैं, पर इसमें इसको लीड करती है बीजेपी की ये जो चुनी हुई जनप्रतिनिधियों की टोली, ये लुटेरों की टोली है.
Workers of the Grand Bahul Party hit the streets and staged a protest outside the Indore Municipal Corporation. They even poured dirty water on the posters of Kailash Vijayvargiya.
लोगों का ये मानना है कि घर में पानी का कनेक्शन नहीं आता, जो पानी की लाइन है वो फूटी हुई है, ड्रेनेज पानी जो है वो रिस के लोगों के घरों तक पहुंच रहा है. और हमने भी ग्राउंड पे रियलिटी जाके देखी है कि कैसे जो है वो सीवर का पानी, नाले का पानी जो है वो लोगों के घरों में लगातार जा रहा है, जिससे कि पानी दूषित होता जा रहा है.
Meanwhile, a status report has been filed before the High Court. The court will now go through the status report and take up the matter for hearing on the 6th of January. The government has woken up from its slumber after the deaths, and junior officials have been made scapegoats while senior ministers stay away from the heat. We've just entered 2026, and yet clean water in a city like Indore, which prides on its cleanliness, now feels like a luxury. With Piyush Mishra, Bureau Report, India Today.